Hey friends, it's Lisa back with a new layout. This layout I created it for Audrey Yaeger's 12 Days of Christmas YouTube pop. And yeah, I went back to my older Christmas collections and I chose collection from, I think it was last year or the year before. It is a collection from Pebbles. And I really liked it, and I really didn't use it a lot, so I thought, why not go back to it and create a layout with it. So to start, I put some gesso on my page on paper and let it dry, and then I used gesso. I made the little three little I don't know what the colors, I put some on on plastic, some packaging, and I added to this color that I'm using right now. I added some Lindy's magic powder and also the pink one, and the last one, and I added shimmers paints and also a Lindy's spray to have this cool green color. And yeah, at the moment, I don't know if you've noticed, but I love backgrounds with these dots or circles. I created one just like not it wasn't really planned. I just did one, and then I think it turned out so cool, and it looked like bokeh or bokeh or what you want to call it. I don't know. But for me, it's just bokeh because it's written that way, so I say bokeh. And yeah, I really think it turned so cool, and now I want to do these backgrounds all the time. And here I wasn't doing the whole background, I just wanted to create a wreath. So I used the colors and created these irregular or different sized circles, and then I also came in with white, and then to finish, or not really to finish, but I also used this glitter paste, this gold glitter paste, and then I came in to finish with some black, white splatters and gold splatters, hide shine. So there I had the base of the wreath. I really like how it turned out, although I must say that at the end I was like, okay, there's really something missing in this background. I like the colors, but yeah, you'll see at the end. I don't know if you will the same, but I was like, okay, there's something missing, and I couldn't really figure out what it was. But well, and then I went through all of the Pebbles embellishments, and I found this little circle with a cute bear that was wearing a scarf, and I wanted to recreate him. And then I thought, why not create three little cuties with scarves, and just yeah, used it. And I took inspiration from the stickers and the embellishments from the collection. And then I went on like I always do. I cut out the pieces and retraced them on the colors I wanted. Like here I have the three scarves, and then I cut out more pieces and retraced again and cut out again until I had all of my pieces for my paper piece little cuties. So what I also did here, and I really like to do that lately, I use little daubers with my distress oxides or inks, and I create this border or these shadows around all of the pieces, and I think it gives so much texture and interest, and like yeah, these little details that make the whole thing really come alive. And yeah, as you can see on this hedgehog, I did the as I'm doing here. So I used the brown on the head, and then also on the little spikes. And yeah, I really like that, and I did cheeks the same way, using a little dauber with some pink distress outside. I really like how that looks. And here I forgot to do it on the white part, so they're not really standing out, but I will yeah, I will I will use a gray pen later to retrace a little bit, and as I did on the bear, and then you will see it a little bit better. Yeah, here are the little cuties, and then I used some pens and also white pen to create some details and to draw the eyes, the noses, and yeah. Then here are the puffy gold word stickers from the collection, and really wasn't in the mood to like think of a better title, so I just went with Merry Christmas. And yeah. And then I used my foam squares to attach my little cuties. I can't say animals because obviously I'm not an animal. But yeah, and then just ripped some scraps paper to mat my photo. And I really like colors of this collection. I really love to add pink to the traditional colors of Christmas. I think that really makes it, I don't know, less traditional, a little bit more modern, and more Lisa like. I really do anything without pink. So yeah, matted my photo, placed it on the layout, and then went through the stickers. Sorry for that. Went through the stickers. Sorry again. Went through all of the stickers to add to my wreath. And when I use a collection where I have a lot of stickers, I am like, okay, I really need to create a wreath or something, because that's the perfect occasion for me to use a lot of stickers. I think it's the easiest way on layouts to use a lot of stickers. And then yeah, I took all of the leaf shaped stickers and I added them to the sides of the little cuties. And I went through, not through, but then I went and took all of the stickers and really adhered them to the layout using glue and foam squares. So I alternated using those like, yeah, both of the sticking techniques. And then I went back through the stickers and just added some to the cuties and added some to the layout. I wanted some more leaves around faces, and then I used a lot of stars, gold stars, to embellish the wreath even more. I love those sticker books from American Crafts, which they include a lot of collections, because they have like a ton of stickers. And yeah, the little stickers is like one that I hold now, like stars. Obviously stars are, you can use on everything, right? But the little stickers there on the left, they are a lot harder to use. So on wreaths, it's easy to use them because you can scatter them around. And then I did my mini Sweden and just put some tangled thread in gold and red on or behind 3 of the stickers. Just came in with a pen for some more detail, because yeah, as I said, it was a little bit flat. And yeah, that's it, guys. Check out all of the other layouts. See you soon. Before watching, bye. Merry Christmas.